Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be comparing the Xiaomi Smart Band 6 and Xiaomi Band 7. Xiaomi has updated its line of smart wristbands with the Xiaomi Band 7. The device is an update of the Mi Smart Band 6, which continues to be quite successful for being competitively priced and offering several features for health tracking and sports monitoring. Despite the aesthetic similarities between the two models, the smart bands differ in features and even in battery capacity. Check out the video to see what has changed between the generations. The design has changed very little between one generation of Xiaomi's smart band and the next. The most striking difference is the size, which has become larger on the Xiaomi Band 7 to accommodate the new display dimensions. The watch maintains a more minimalist and discreet footprint, with thin edges on the touch panel. For now, Mi Band 6 users still have more options to customize the accessory through wristbands, both original Xiaomi wristbands and third-party wristbands. This is because the model has been on the market for a longer time. Because of the new dimensions of the Xiaomi Band 7, it is not possible to use the wristbands from the previous generation. A common feature of both generations is the presence of the 5 ATM certification. This means that the products can be submerged in water for a maximum of 10 minutes at a depth of up to 50 meters. As mentioned above, the screen has gotten bigger in the new generation. It's 1.62 inches on the Xiaomi Band 7 versus the 1.56 inches on the Mi Band 6. That's a 25% difference, which will now be leveraged to show a bit more information on the panel, as well as reproduce larger cones. The technology used by the screens of Xiaomi's two wristbands is OLED, known for achieving deep black levels and having a considerably lower energy expenditure than the traditional TFT LCD. What does change is the arrival of Always On, where the screen is always on to display the time and the brightness of the display, which now reaches 500 nits, instead of the 450 nits of the Mi Band 6. The Mi Band 6 came to the market with 30 sports modes. The Xiaomi Band 7, on the other hand, received a leap in the number of features. There are 120 exercise modes available to the user. Physical activities such as stretching, tennis, and kickboxing are some of the important additions. Another change in the Xiaomi Band 7 is in the way the oximeter works. Now, blood oxygen saturation monitoring has gotten smarter, as it is designed to take the measurement every 5 minutes and display an alert if levels fall below the standard. The Mi Band 6 single-S battery has 125 mAh of capacity. According to Xiaomi, this is enough for up to 14 days of regular use. The Xiaomi Band 7, on the other hand, comes with a 180 mAh capacity component, a considerable improvement in which, according to the manufacturer, translates to up to 15 days of regular use and 9 days for heavy use. Both smart wristbands take about 2 hours to be recharged from 0 to 100%. Both the Mi Band 6 and the Xiaomi Band 7 are compatible with Android phones and iPhones, iOS. The connection is via Bluetooth, and the information is synchronized with Xiaomi's app. The latest generation came with a more sophisticated version of Bluetooth, which is 5.2. The Mi Band 6, on the other hand, comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.0. The Mi Band 6 is available for purchase for $41.99 on Amazon, a price that can change on the Amazon website. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi Band 7 is also available for purchase on the Amazon website for $62.87. Check out the links to buy on video's description page. Here ends our comparison on Mi Band 6 and Mi Band. We hope you find it very useful. If you have any suggestion, kindly share with us in the comments section. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please click on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button to turn on notification for this channel, so as to notify you when I post new video. Thank you for watching.